This video will explain how to use the Figma library of Mosaic. Start by opening the Figma.com website and logging with your Danfoss account to access the library. First, find and switch on the Mosaic Assets library. In Library, you can enable Mosaic colors, components, icons, layout, and typography. In the right panel, when changing colors, you will now have Mosaic colors available. And if you want to use text, all correct Mosaic typography styles are already included. In the left Assets panel, you will be able to see all the available Mosaic components. To use Mosaic components, for example, a button, you simply drag and drop them. When you have the component selected, you will see options for adjusting it in the right panel. In this case, you can decide which button type you need and if you want an icon or label on your button or not. You can also switch between the different states of the button depending on what you need for your design. Let's say you want a secondary button, so we change the type to secondary. We also want to see how the button looks while hovering, so we select Hover as a state. Each component is individual and will offer other settings, but you will often find the possibility to adjust the state and change between different types. Components offer you the opportunity to reuse design assets and adjust them to your needs. You can change the text inside every component to make it fit into your design. However, there are two rules you must follow. Rule number 1. Please don't detach instances. The components are designed to ensure consistent use of the design guidelines. This also goes for rule number 2. Don't change the colors inside a component. Colors are selected to match Danfoss CVI. If you are wondering about adjustments to a component, you would like to contribute your own component, or have any other feedback, please reach out in the team's channel Danfoss Mosaic Design System and Figma community. We will be happy to help you. We have two types of accounts in Figma: viewers and editors. The viewer account is free for all Danfoss employees and has many benefits. You can use it with Mosaic components for mockups or wireframes to present ideas or changes. However, with a viewer account, it is not possible to share your designs with others through a link. You can do that by exporting your design. Just select the frame, right-click and select Copy or Paste as the desired format. You could also use the Export section from the right panel. The editor account is tailored for designers and is a paid account. If you're a designer and need to collaborate with others in Figma, you can request access via Remedy Force. You can use Mosaic in Figma immediately without any additional license. So try it out for yourself and go to Figma.com to check out the Figma library of Mosaic.